one more application of if-else. Let us write a Python program to convert digit into words. So first click on File, New. You will get a new file. Save the file. Then you can write a comment. A Python program to convert digit into words. Okay. Now, what we need to do is, suppose if I type 0 from the keyboard, the answer should be ZERO. If I type 7 from the keyboard, the answer should be SEVEN. If I type 9 from the keyboard, the answer should be NINE. And if I type 10 from the keyboard, what should be the answer? Is it TEN? No. And the reason is digit means only 0 to 9. Okay, digit means only 0 to 9. So we need to write a Python program for converting a digit into words. So the digit must be entered from the keyboard and the answer should be the digit in words. Okay. So first you need to enter a quantity from the keyboard. So D is equal to, digit is always an integer. So you can write int input. Now inside double quotes you can write enter a digit, and digit means it is 0 to 9. Okay. Now here you can use if else. If d equal to 0. What is the meaning of equal to equal to? It's the comparison operator. So comparison operator checks whether left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. What is the meaning of 1 equal to? It is assignment operator. Right hand side is assigned to left hand side. So if d equal to 0, then you can write print 0 in words. How can you do that? It is ZERO. Else. So you can use L if, because if this condition is wrong, control comes to else part. And what is the meaning of else? D can be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 9. So multiple possibilities are there. We tackle that by asking a question. So ask the next question, whether D equal to 1. Then you can write the answer 1 in words. So inside double quotes you can write 1. Now let me copy paste this one. Right click, copy. So D equal to 2, and here the answer is okay. Now again, it is already copied, so I just need to paste it. D equal to 3, the answer is 3. Next one. Like this you can write till 9. Okay. So let me do it for you. It is 5. Okay. 6. Now just 3 more. 7. 8. And just 1 more. So here you can write. Now finally you need one else. Remember, keywords are case sensitive, so else must be written in lower case. Okay, and else must end with a colon. So what is the meaning of this else? D does not contain 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. So if D contains an integer other than 0 to 9, the meaning is it is not a digit. So you can write print D is not a digit. Okay. Now save the file, Control S, run the program F5. If I type 9, you get the answer 9. Again, if I type 10, you get 10 is not a digit. So this is another simple program that demonstrates the use of if, else, if. Okay. So you can try this program independently in your computer, and after that you can do one program independently, a new program, and the program is write a Python program to convert day of week into words. For example, if you type 1, the answer should be Monday, I mean Sunday. Day of the week starts with Sunday. If I type 2, the answer should be Monday. If I type if I type 7, the answer should be Saturday. And if I type an integer other than 1 to 7, wrong choice. So write a Python program to convert day of the week into words. So this is what you need to do in that program. It is another application of if, else, if. Do the program independently and submit the assignment.